In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create date and time properties in HubSpot. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently set up a custom property that captures both date and time, and then use it in your records, workflows, and reports. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar and find the gear icon. This is your main settings area in HubSpot. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings page. On the left-hand side of the settings screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Scroll through this menu until you find the section called Data Management. Under this section, click on Properties. This is where all the properties for your different objects live, such as contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. At the top of the Properties page, you'll see a drop-down that lets you choose which object you're working with. Click that drop-down and select the object where you want to add your new date and time property. For example, you might choose contacts if you want to track an appointment time, or deals if you want to store a contract start time. Make sure you pick the object carefully because properties are specific to the object you select. Once you've chosen the object, look for the button that says Create Property and click it. A panel will slide in from the right side of the screen. This is where you'll define the details of your new property. In the panel, start by entering a property label. This is the name that will appear inside HubSpot whenever you use this field. So choose something clear and descriptive, like onboarding session date and time, or demo start time. A clear label makes it easier for your team to understand exactly what this property is used for. Next, look for the field type section in the same panel. Click the drop-down menu under field type, and in the search bar that appears, type date and time. From the search results, select Date and Time Picker. This ensures your property will allow users to select both a calendar date and a specific time, instead of just a date. When you're happy with your label and field type, scroll down to the bottom of the panel and click Create Property. HubSpot will save your new property, and it will now be available anywhere properties are used for that object. And that's it. You've successfully created a date and time property in HubSpot.